Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Knowledge School YouTube channel. Today's our topic is phytoalexins and hypersensitive response. So what is this term? So let's start this video. So phytoalexins. Phytoalexins, phyton equal to plant and alexins equal to word of. The phytoalexin terms was given by Muller and Borger 1940. First used the term phytoalexins for fungistatic compounds produced by plants in response to injury, mechanical or chemical or infection. Phytoalexins are toxic antimicrobial substances produced in appreciable amounts in plants only after stimulation by phytopathogenic micro-organisms or by chemical or mechanical injury. Phytoalexins are not produced by uninfected healthy plants but produced by healthy cells adjacent to localized damaged or necrotic cells in response to materials diffusing from the infected cells. These are not produced during compatible biotropic infections. Phytoalexins accumulate around both resistant and susceptible necrotic tissues. However, resistance occurs when one or more phytoalexins reach a concentration sufficient to restrict the pathogenic development. So what are the characteristics of the phytoalexins? So these are very important characteristics of the phytoalexins. First is fungitoxic and bacteriostatic at low concentration. Number 2, produced in host plants in response to stimulus, elicitors and metabolic products. Number 3 is absent in healthy plants. Number 4, remain close to the site of infection. Number 5, produced in quantities proportionate to the size of inoculum. Number 7, produced within 12 to 14 hours, reaching peak around 44 hours after inoculation. Number 8, host specific rather than pathogen specific. So phytoalexins should be host specific, not a pathogen specific. Synthesis and accumulation of phytoalexins are shown in diversified families, that is Leguminosae, Solanaceae, Malvaceae, Chenopodiaceae, Convolvulaceae, Compositae and graminis. The phytoalexin is seen in these families. Important phytoalexins are so these 5 to 7 phytoalexins which is produced in different pathogens. So phytoalexins is number 1 is Phyton. Phyton this is the host of the Phyton is P and which pathogens Moniliia fructicola. Phytoalin is produced by French bean for Sclerotinia fructigena. Ricitin is produced by potato for Phytophthora infestans. Gossypol is produced by cotton for Verticillium albotrum. Cysteine is produced by Bengal gram for Escocyta rabi. Ipomimaron is produced by sweet potato for Ceratocystis fimbriata. Capsidol is produced by pepper for Coleotrichum capsicum. So these are the important phytoalexins. So number B is hypersensitive response. So the term hypersensitivity was first used by Stakman 1915 in wheat infected by rust fungus Puccinia graminis. So the hypersensitivity response is a localized induced cell death in the host plant at the site of infection by a pathogen, thus limiting the growth of pathogen. In the infected plant part, Hypersensitive response is seen as water soaked large sectors which subsequently become necrotic and collapsed. So HR occurs only in incompatible resistant host pathogen combinations. Hypersensitivity response may occur whenever virulent strains or races of pathogens are injected into non-host plants or into resistant varieties, and when a virulent strains or races of pathogens are injected into susceptible cultivars. HR is initiated by the recognition of specific pathogen produced single molecules known as elicitors. So for the producing of HR, elicitors is very important. Elicitors transmit the signal to the cells and cell immediately date and resist the plant against the pathogen. So the most common new cell functions and compounds include during HR. So when hypersensitivity response is produced, what is done in the cells? So the rapid burst of oxidative reactions, increased ion movement, especially of potassium and hydrogen. So increased ion movement, especially of potassium and hydrogen, through cell membrane, disruption of membranes, and loss of cell compartmentization. Cross linking of phenolics with cell wall components and strengthening of plant cell wall. Production of antimicrobial substances such as phytoalexins and pathogenesis related protein such as chitinases. So this will be happened in the HR response in the cell. So thank you for watching this video. Please like our video, share our video and subscribe our video, and press the bell icon for upcoming important videos. Thank you for watching Agriculture Knowledge School YouTube channel.